Faced with problems, we often have to figure out how to solve them. Our dreams of a better future and success are a source of happiness and happiness. To achieve these dreams, we need hard work, determination, and perseverance. Setting goals, planning, and taking action are necessary. Despite obstacles and setbacks, staying focused and never giving up is crucial. By staying true to our dreams and putting in effort, we can turn our aspirations into reality. The powerful rule known as the law of assumption contains the solution. Our assumptions determine our reality, according to the law of assumption, a concept popularized by Neville Goddard. To rephrase, our experiences are shaped by the truths we hold about ourselves and our situation. It discusses the power of our ideas, beliefs, and expectations to shape our reality. In order for the law of assumption to work, there must be belief. It doesn't matter if you think you can or can't do something. You're right. What we believe sets the limits of what we can do. It's possible for anything to happen if we believe in our abilities. If we doubt ourselves, on the other hand, we hold ourselves back and stop our progress. We have to be ready to change our minds in order to use the law of assumption's power. We have to work at changing the way we think and adopting beliefs that are empowering and in line with our goals. Heard that if you change the way you see things, those things will change. Having a mindset of abundance and possibility is a powerful way to change our point of view. We don't have to focus on what we can't do or what is scarce. Embracing an abundance mindset allows us to tackle challenges with optimism and imagination, which in turn sparks new ideas and breakthroughs. Looking at things from this angle helps us attract more good things and makes it easier for us to achieve our goals. One key to a happier, more fulfilled life is learning to look for the silver lining in every cloud. This mindset shift will allow you to seize countless opportunities for personal growth and happiness. The initial stage is to comprehend the law of assumption. We need to use the law of assumption in our daily lives if we want to make our dreams come true. Here are some useful steps that will help you use its power. To make your dreams come true, the first thing you need to do is figure out what you really want. Take some time to think about your hopes and dreams. What do you want to get done? What do you want to feel? Be clear and vividly picture what you want to happen. Napoleon Hill once said that the first step to success is to want something. Make a vision board or something else that shows you what you want to bring into your life. This process helps you believe in and strengthen your desires, which makes your subconscious mind more in line with your conscious goals. Second step, close your eyes and picture yourself already living the life you want once you know what it is you want. Imagine for a second that you have achieved your life goals. Maximize your enjoyment by engaging all of your senses. Glance at the vivid hues. Imagine yourself living your dream life, complete with the caress of a soft breeze, the aroma of success, and the sound of joyful laughter all around you. If you want to feel fulfilled and content, this exercise will help you attract positive energy and make your desires a reality. Take in the feelings of accomplishment and make the most of the experience. Visualization is useful for 2 reasons. To begin, it makes your wants clear and gives you a clear picture of what you want to bring into your life. Second, it helps you develop the feelings and beliefs that will lead to the reality you want. Your subconscious mind sees your success as real when you picture it in great detail. It then starts to align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with that reality. Step 3. Affirmations are strong tools that help you align your beliefs and thoughts with what you want. In this case, if your goal is to start a business that does well, you might say, "I am a successful entrepreneur." Every day, I bring opportunities and plenty into my life. My company does well and grows. By affirming your desired reality, you strengthen your beliefs and make it more likely that your dreams will come true. Louise Hay said that every thought we have shapes our future. Step 4. Act as if your dreams have already come true to bridge the gap between what is happening now and what you want to happen. Take on the traits and habits of the person you want to become. So, if you want to be a successful writer, act like you have already written a book and had it published. Set aside time every day to write. Join writing groups, go to writing workshops, and picture yourself signing books at a bookstore. As you do these things, imagine that your thoughts, beliefs, and actions are all in sync with each other. Now let's look at the limiting beliefs. To get the most out of the law of assumption, you need to find and get rid of any limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. Most of the time, these beliefs come from bad experiences in the past, social conditioning, or doubts about oneself. Take some time to think about what you believe and ask yourself, what do I believe about myself and my potential? Are these beliefs helping me or getting in the way of my progress? Many aspects of our lives, including our relationships, professions, money, and self-esteem, can be impacted by limiting beliefs. Doubts, fears, and negative self-talk are examples of limiting beliefs that can get in the way of our progress toward our objectives. Reframe these ideas as negative and limiting, and replace them with something more constructive. We can now move forward with certainty and clarity, liberated from the shackles of the past. Keep in mind that you are the only one who can alter your perspective and bring about the changes you seek in your life. I fail at everything I try. When you name these limiting beliefs, you make them more clear to you and can start to question them. As soon as you know what your limiting beliefs are, it's time to question them and look for evidence that goes against them. Instead of negative self-talk, say positive affirmations and believe in yourself. For instance, if you think you're not smart enough to succeed, you can challenge this belief by focusing on what you have already done well. Whether it's a small or big accomplishment, looking for examples of people who have done well in similar situations, and changing the belief to, I can learn and grow in any field I choose. As Tony Robbins said, it's not the things that happen to us that make us who we are, but what we think those things mean. Things we believe can change. They are not set in stone. Making your dreams a reality through the law of assumption is a process that requires patience. Just as Rome wasn't constructed overnight, dreams also take time to accomplish. If you want to accomplish anything, you need to be patient and persistent. Overcoming challenges is possible with a shift in perspective and a commitment to personal development. The road to success is long, but every little step gets you closer to your goals. Remain steadfast in your pursuit of your goal. Ralph Waldo Emerson was smart to follow nature's pace. Her secret is to be patient. You have to trust in a higher power or the universe in order to fully follow the law of assumption. Believe that the universe is on your side and will help you reach your goals. Let go of the need to be in charge of everything and let life happen as it will. Lao Tzu said that nature doesn't move quickly, but everything gets done. Your future is up to you, and there are many things that could happen. Trusting in the natural flow of things and faith in the universe leads to everything falling into place at the right time. Similar to Ralph Waldo Emerson and Lao Tzu, surrendering control and letting the universe guide your dreams will result in immediate results. You did great if you're still with me. I hope everything goes well for you in the future. Leave me a comment if you want to help me with my work. Thanks for seeing this through with me.